Whoa! 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 This is literally my favorite type of weather. I love thunderstorms so much. I always look forward to them. Okay, now I'll show you guys how to make the lightning bolt. Here we go. Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami lightning bolt. And this is a model I designed several months ago, and I've been waiting to teach it, and I'm finally going to teach it. The other reason why I'm teaching it right now is because we're actually having a thunderstorm right now. So I thought this would be the perfect model to teach during a thunderstorm. And yep, this is an origami lightning bolt. So here we go. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, yellow on one side and white on the other. So this will be the color of the lightning bolt, so it'll be yellow. But first, I'm going to change my background color. So instead of white, I will go with black. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. And now, we're going to make a kite base, so fold the two sides to the middle. There's some really dark clouds outside right now too, and there's a bunch of lightning and thunder. Okay, and now we're gonna fold the sides to the center again. So hold the layers down so they don't slide. So here we go. So yes, I'm finally showing you guys how to make this model. I've been waiting to teach it. You know, I wanted to teach it during a thunderstorm. That's why I had a delay on teaching this. Okay. All right, and now fold the model in half. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this. This is really to taste, so just watch me make the fold first before you even start. So I'm gonna fold this. This is like a 90-degree angle. And now I'm going to fold this down. See? And this is already taking the shape of the lightning bolt, so I'm just going to go like this. This is to taste. Okay? So if you like it like this, then you're done, but I'm going to show you how to make it look a little bit better. So unfold here, and let's reverse fold on those creases. So I'm going to turn over on this side with the crease, and make these two folds mountain folds. That. Okay, and then this one, reverse fold 2 on the existing creases. Alright. And then now, it looks okay like this, but I'm going to kind of close this off. So, to do that, you can really close this off however you'd like. But I'm going to actually use the water bomb technique. So, I'm going to turn over on this side. This is the back side of the lightning bolt, so I'm going to have this side be the front. Okay, so take this corner and fold it to here. And then now fold it to this corner. And I'm just going to make a crease mark. And now fold it to the crease mark. Okay, and fold this corner to here. It's just like we're making a water bomb. And then now fold it. I meant to zoom in quite a bit because it's pretty small. Okay. Fold it over the edge, and now open the flap. There's multiple pockets in this flap. It doesn't matter which pocket you stick it in, but just open it up and stick it in one of those pockets. Like that. Alright. And there we close it off. And here we have lightning bolt. So yeah. And if you want to kind of close these edges off, well, pretty much all you have to do is just fold them up just a little bit. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to. Okay. Alright, and what else is open? I can just keep this part open, but this part I'm going to close off. So just fold it up just a tad. Remember, this is optional. You don't have to do this. Alright, and there, that looks better. And there we have the lightning bolt. And it's not really an action model. I mean, it is kind of an action model. You can use it as a pointer. Like, you can say, what's this? So, there you have it. And this is what I'll be teaching in my next video, so you can click right here for this model when I post it. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this lightning bolt, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my thunderstorm. Whoa! Whoa! That is a lot of lightning. Okay, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.